milligram. So with respect to IPK, so we have to include this also in the uncertainty of NPK 57. So the standard uncertainty of the mass prototype NPK 57 with respect to now IPK is 42 microgram. So this is how things are happening at the apex level. And this is the kind of certificate which we have received from BIPM after the redefinition when we got our prototype NPK 57 calibrated by them. So now you can see the language, the mass prototype number 57 given in this certificate is based on the definition of kilogram, which came into force from 20th May 2019. So this certificate is basically based on the new redefinition. Okay, now the mass of IPK based on the consensus value is 1 kg minus 2 microgram. So if we see the mass of IPK, earlier whatever was the mass of IPK was considered to be 1 kg. Now after the redefinition you can see the change. Now the mass of IPK has become 1 kg minus 2 microgram, which we are getting, this value we are getting in the certificate itself. So now if we see the next page, now here from the 2023 consensus value for the SI unit of mass, the kilogram has been determined to be 1 kg minus 7 microgram with a standard uncertainty of 20 microgram. So we can see the first value and the second value. In 2023, the value has changed to 1 kg minus 7 microgram. So now this has to be included. This deviation has to be included in the prototype of the country which are getting calibrated from BIPM. So now again, what is the action required? So to achieve the consistency, all NMIs would need to reduce the mass value of their national as maintained mass unit by 7 microgram with respect to the mass value based on the IPK, or 5 microgram with respect to the consensus value of 2021. So whoever is maintaining this, their primary standard or apex level standard, so whatever value has been assigned to it, if they have not calibrated after the redefinition, they have to reduce the value of their 1 kg by 7 microgram. And if it is calibrated, then, for example, in our case, we were having the 2021 value, so which was already considering minus 2 microgram. And after the 2023 consensus value, we have decreased 5 microgram from the value which is assigned to NPK 57. So this is how we are maintaining the primary standard. And once the value of our primary standard is changing, the value is getting, because it is the unbroken chain and the traceability has to be disseminated down the line. So the value at the apex is getting affected. So the same is going to be reflected in the other standards which we are maintaining. And for India, our 3 weights got affected after the redefinition, that is 1 kg, 500 and 200. So these 3 weights got affected, or mass values got affected after the redefinition. So thank you very much for your kind attention. This is all from my side. I hope I was clear enough. And if there is any question,